My name is Collins Kipchirchir, doing electrical and electronics engineering, level 6, admission 7223S. And the unit of competency is solar installation. So, I'm going to install my solar system, and I'm going to start, as we all know, or you can, when you are installing solar, you start from the battery. Now, when you are in the battery, you are, for me, I have two batteries that I've connected them in parallel so that I can increase current, and the voltage remains the same. So the batteries are rated in ampere hour, and my batteries, one of the battery is 80 ampere hour and the other is 80 ampere hour. So the ampere hour will increase to 160. So I'm going to start from the battery. Then the solar PV module or the array, and the array I've connected in on roof mounting, and I have two solar modules that I've connected them in series so that voltage can increase, and that I have used a solar charge controller so as to help me to control the rate on which the solar module will charge the battery, and also controls the backflow of current, the backflow of voltage from the battery to the solar module when the sunlight is not there. So I've connected them there, and as you see, my solar module or the array is charging the battery. Now it is 14. It is rating between 13.9 and 14.2. That is my connection order. Now the last thing that I'm going to connect from the charge controller, because I have used the charge controller in order to enable me to connect load, to connect the load, the PV module, and the battery. Now this charge controller allows me to connect them. Now I'm going to connect my solar inverter in order to invert or to change AC current. As you all know, the solar PV system is rated in direct current, but the installation that I've done in this room is AC. It is alternating current. So I will use my inverter here to convert the DC current to AC current, and I'm going to connect. As you all know, the solar PV system has only two things. It has the positive and negative. But after the inverter, we'll be talking in terms of live and neutral. So I'm going to connect them like this. You start from the negative terminal, you connect it like that. Then the positive, you connect it like that. So I've connected them like that. So you come first, you see if it is working. For me, it is working. So you first switch off, then you insert the load now. So I have inserted them. Then I have now I'm going to start with here, then here. So I'm going to light to see if my PV module have worked, and that is 1. Then secondly, I'm going to see if the socket is working. I'm going to use my phone to see if the socket is working.